Hey guys, so in this video I'll be comparing the top features of the Oukitel WP19 Pro with the Ulefone WP19. If you're new here, kindly subscribe and turn on notifications. So without further ado, let's dig in. So these devices have unique designs, different designs. They are built to be durable, they are very durable, rugged, and of course they are very heavy and thick. The Oukitel WP19 Pro has a thickness of 29mm and it weighs 570 grams, while the Ulefone WP19 has a thickness of 27.5mm and it weighs 647 grams, guys. Both devices have a 6.8-inch Full HD Plus 120Hz display, and of course the display of both devices are protected by the Gorilla Glass 5. The Oukitel WP19 Pro is powered by the Helio G99, while the Ulefone WP19 is powered by the Helio G96. And as we all know, the Helio G99 is a much more efficient processor than the Helio G96. Both devices have 12GB RAM and 256GB internal storage, and of course the storage of both devices can be expanded. Both devices run on the Android 13 operating system and it's the stock version of Android, which is great. It means you won't be getting any unnecessary bloatware and you'll be getting the latest security updates. In the camera department, the Oukitel WP19 Pro features a triple rear camera setup consisting of a 64MP primary sensor, a 20MP night vision camera, and a 2MP macro lens. The front-facing camera of the WP19 Pro is 16MP, while the Ulefone WP19 features a dual rear camera setup consisting of a 64MP primary sensor, it's a wide-angle lens, and a 64MP night vision camera. Very nice combination, guys. And the front-facing camera is 16MP. The rear cameras of both devices can record up to 4K videos at 30fps, which is very nice. The battery capacity of the Oukitel WP19 Pro is 22,000 mAh and it supports 33 watts fast charging, while the battery capacity of the Ulefone WP19 is 22,000 mAh as well, and it supports 66 watts fast charging and 10 watts reverse wired charging. I believe the Oukitel WP19 Pro also supports reverse charging, but there isn't any details about that. So other features of both devices includes IP68 and IP69K ratings. They are both military grade standard 810H certified, and both devices features a side mounted fingerprint scanner. They support OTG, face unlock, Bluetooth 5.2. They have Wi-Fi, NFC support, wireless FM radio support on the Ulefone WP19, and so on. So these are the top features of both rugged phones. As you can see, they are very similar in terms of specs. And of course, I'd like to know which of the two devices pack the best specs in your opinion. Feel free to share your thoughts in the comment section below. Thanks for watching. Subscribe to the channel and I'll see you guys in the next update. Peace out.